So guys, as you can see on the screen, my Botim loan is already approved. 2,700 dirhams is my send now and pay later Botim credit limit. To instantly send this money back home, simply tap on use my limit. I'm going to show you how to successfully send this money. But guys, if you have any issue when applying for your Botim loan, I'm going to show you how to fix it. In fact, I'm going to show you how to apply, get approved, and then activate your Botim loan using the send now and pay later Botim money transfer feature. So, as you can see on the screen, once your Botim loan is approved, to send this money back home, you have to first add a repayment method. Go ahead and add your debit card that you'll use to repay back this loan. It's very easy. Then a card verification method will show up. Read through the terms and conditions. Then tap here on accept and verify your card. A small test amount of 10 fils will be deducted from your card. Tap on the pay button. Enter your card CVV number to confirm. And that is it. Your card has been successfully added. If you don't have a bank account yet, get one. The video on the screen will guide you. Now it's time to start using this loan. Simply tap on use it now. As you can see on the screen, the maximum loan amount I can use to send money right now is 2,700 dirhams. So use this slide bar to select the amount you want to send. Let me select 510 dirhams. Choosing the repayment term, you can choose to repay this loan in a period of 6 months. That is 6 installments. You can also choose 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, 2 months, or 1 month. This will depend on how fast you believe you can repay this loan. So, once you have chosen your repayment term, you will see the amount you will have to repay. This includes the loan itself plus the interest. In my case, I have chosen to repay this loan of 510 dirhams in 1 month, and my repayable amount will be 542 dirhams in 1 installment. So once all that is set, simply tap on get started. You will automatically be brought on this international transfer page. You will see that you're transferring 500, that is in my case, and the amount you receive in your home country. Select your beneficiary, the person that you want to receive this money. If you're sending to a new account, simply tap here on the plus button and add the account. So, once you have added your beneficiary, tap on the send money button. Go ahead, select the purpose of this transfer and the source of the funds, and then confirm. To finalize this transaction, review all the transaction details. On this page, to get a discount of 25% from your interest, simply enter your promo code here in this space. Once you are satisfied, click on the pay button. Guys, if you don't have your discount promotion code yet, simply comment with the word promo and I'll send it to you. Select send now, pay later. Again, click on the pay button. Confirm the number of months you want to repay this loan. This repayment plan we have already discussed in detail, so let me select 1 month. Okay, so again, review your transfer amount plus the interest and your repayment card. Agree to the terms and conditions, confirm, and then verify your face. As you can see on the screen, the transaction was successful. I sent money back home using the Botim send now and pay later money option. So now I have shown you guys how to send money now and pay later using the SNPL Botim money transfer. But what if you have a problem with the Botim loan that every time you apply you get rejected? Or maybe the send now and pay later money option is not showing up in your Botim wallet. Here is the solution. The video up next will guide you step by step. It will also show you how to apply and activate your Botim loan in just one easy step.